You deserve an increment for the hard work you put in throughout the year. Your SIP puts in an equal amount of hard work to grow your wealth. Your SIP deserves an increment too. Increase your SIP investment by a small percentage every year when you get a raise and help your SIP grow with you. Most mutual funds allow investors to top up their SIP amount by either a fixed percentage or a fixed amount every year. With yearly top-up, your SIP grows with your income, helps you beat inflation, and helps your investment match your upgraded lifestyle. Gets you to your financial goals faster and helps you increase your investment in the same plan easily rather than having to start a new one. The SIP top-up facility can get you a much higher corpus than you would have got without a top-up. If your existing SIP is Rs 5,000 and you topped it up by 10% every year at a return of 12%, your corpus at the end of 25 years would be 43% higher than an SIP without a top-up. So whenever you start an SIP, give it an annual increment by opting for an SIP top-up. To know more about investing in mutual funds, contact your financial advisor or visit www.hdfcmfinvestwise.com. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.